Hi folks, Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. You know, the 60th anniversary sale was a tremendous success for us. Now, but as you know, the 60th anniversary sale ended March 10th. However, I've been given some strong encouragements that we probably should continue the 60th anniversary sale. So now, through the end of the month, the 60th anniversary sale will continue at blowout prices. Yes, blowout prices. In fact, we're going to go around and take a look at what we have. Not only that, not only are we going to have blowout prices, 4.9% financing is available on select new 2024 fifth wheels.